What's up, everybody? Good morning. It is, I think, 6:25 right now. Tuesday. This is part 2 of the keto slash fasting. Yes, what it can do in a week. Keto slash fasting, episode 2, part 2, day 2. It's Tuesday, January 21st. Just finished up a leg day. Real quick, gonna go into details about it. I am fasted. Last time I ate was about 7 o'clock. So I have an empty stomach. Did a volume leg day. Alright, so real quick breakdown. I like to start off my leg days with leg press, like a tricep of leg press, the angled squats, and lunges, just down and back. Just pick a place. I can't really give you amount of steps. Probably like 10 steps each foot, give or take, down and back to whatever machine I'm on. So usually I'll do a warm up with 2 plates, or 2 plates on each side for leg press for about 20, and then a warm up of 25s on each side on the angled squats, and then a lunges down and back. Now that's going to be warm up for 2 rounds. If you're doing your warm up right, your legs will be ready. I also like to stretch in between the sets. After the tricep, I'll do like a squat set just to spread my hip flexors. Like to do those high kicks, high kicks, do those. After that, I start putting on the weight. On the lunges, I usually put chains, or today I used dumbbells, just 20-pound dumbbells, increased it to 35, down and back. And then I did a drop set for my last leg press on the tricep, and that was crazy. Started off with 6, went down to 5, went down to 4, went down to 3, stopped at 2. So really good finisher for the tricep. And then I went to hamstring curls, single legged one today. I did single leg 10 each side, 3 sets of 4, and I supersetted those with stiff legged deadlifts. That's a good workout for your hamstrings as well. Pick a weight you can go up and down with. Don't want to hurt your back. And then finished it off with about 22 minutes worth of cardio on the stepper. Pretty good workout. Again, I am fasted, so my legs did take a pretty good beating. The workout was pretty hard, but that's the whole point. So yeah, I'll be back later on in the evening talking about what I had for lunch, or I might record during lunch. I don't know. If I can, I can. I won't. But it'll be back during lunch, just going through what I'm doing. I might hit abs tonight when I get home from work. I usually like to hit them with legs. I didn't do it today. Got to the gym a little late. But yeah, and I'm gonna just tell you my weights in the evenings instead of in the morning. So yeah. All right, guys.
What's up, everybody? We're back. It's now 10:37 on a Tuesday. A long day at work. Just real quick, gonna go over what I ate for lunch. And when we went to Subway, had a chicken rotisserie salad, lettuce, spinach, pickles, mustard, the chicken. Had water. Had a little pack of Planters nuts. 8 carbs in a pack. 24 grams of fat. So if you're doing a low carb, high fat, that's really what you want. Then I had a Quest bar, about 5 grams of carbs in there. I can't remember right now. The high protein and the fat, I don't remember. For dinner, had chicken, broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. So I had some super greens in there with the cauliflower, keeping it really low carb. Had 2 eggs because I was still kind of hungry. Water, took my creatine, and yeah, I was at 7 o'clock, 7:30. So the fast, I'm already fasting from 8 to 1 p.m. or 12:30. And tomorrow we're gonna hit legs. We're gonna hit back and biceps. Gotta wake up early for that one. So yeah, right now we're gonna step on the scale. Okay, here's my scale. If you remember earlier, I think I weighed Monday I weighed 258, I think. I can always go back and look. So there you go. 255 0.8. So that's really good. That's really good in terms of like what, that's 5'8", 255, 258. That's like 3 pounds in like a 24-hour period. It's because I'm eating. The only thing I didn't eat is breakfast. And because I'm fasting the way I am, because it fits my schedule. So yeah. So again, guys, just showing you the benefits of keto and what fasting can do. Not just keto. If you want to keep it low carb, then keep it low carb. Keto is almost no carbs at all whatsoever. But I'm doing keto to low carb with intermittent fasting. Just getting change. I already reached my goal of 100 pounds. It's the new year. Now my weight has fluctuated. I'm doing that on purpose. But let's see. I still feel comfortable at like 240, between 250. So I really want to get down to that and then really pump up some muscle. So anyways, guys, have a good night. See you tomorrow with part 3 of this keto fasting week. Yeah, and if y'all want to see more of this, hit that thumbs up button, guys. Have any questions about keto and fasting? Put a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, have a good night.